Hello, welcome. Let's provide answer to this question. We are to find the value of x when we have the log of 1 over 5, the base of 625 minus x equals to 0. With this, we can solve it in two ways. Let's see if we can try all the two approach in this video. So now we have this to be 5. That's the denominator is 5. This is 625. So we can rewrite the 625 to be the base of 5. Since I'm seeing 5 here. So I can write this as an indices. That's 5 times itself. How many times will give you 625? You find that. Then from the laws of indices, if I have 1 over a exponent n is a exponent minus n. So I can write this. I'm only concentrating here, leaving the x. Meaning the whole of it become the log of 5 exponent minus 1. There's a 1 here. Then 5 exponent 4. 5 exponent 4 give you 625. Now, remember, if I have the log of a exponent n, it become n log of what? A, ignoring the base. So here I'm having the same thing. Exponent will come forward and multiply. Now, if I have a log of b and I have here to be, let's say, c exponent of what? N. I can rewrite this as 1 over n, the log of b base c. Look at it. The base is having an exponent. The base is not having exponent here. This exponent comes to divide whatever number the logarithm is having. In this case, this n comes to multiply the logarithm. So I'll be applying that concept in this place. So minus x is 0. So if minus 1 comes, it will be multiplying. When 4 comes, it will be dividing that. So that becomes minus 1 over 4. The log of 5 base 5 minus x equals to 0. So recall that the log of b base b give you 1. So the whole of this become minus 1 out of 4 times 1 minus x equals to 0. What do we do from here? We cannot transfer the x there. We have minus 4 equals to x. What are we looking for? We're looking for x. And our x is what? Minus 1 over 4. We can leave it in this form or in a decimal form as x equals to negative 0.25. So we can either leave it this form or leave it in that form. This is one way. The other way is to express this also as a logarithm of the same base. Meaning, in this case, I'll be having the log of 1 over 5, 625 minus x log 625 base 625 equal to 0. So that this is 1. 1 times this will give you the same thing. So if that's the case, remember this is going up to square to be the power. Just like you are seeing here. This come up to become the power. When you do that, you apply the law of division. So that this will be divided by this, since they have the same base. So try this approach and see and share your solutions in the comment section. Following the same procedure, this will be divided by this because of subtraction. Then the base here will be carrying the 0 as a power equals to the argument. Try that and share a solution in the comment section. I know you get the same answer, but let's try and see what that will look like. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.